Today we're going to look at how to play Stand By Me by Benny King. When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see. Okay, just a small bit for you. Okay, so we're going to do this in two parts. The first part we're going to look at is learning the chords. The second part is going to be learning the riff. Okay, so first part is your chords. You need a C chord, an A minor chord, this F chord. So we're not going to use a bar chord, we're going to use a chord like this, which is a bit easier and sounds cool. And then we're going to use a standard G chord. Okay, so C chord, index finger of your left hand on the first fret of the B string, middle finger on the second fret of the D, ring finger on the third fret of the A. Take your thumb on the A string and push down. When the night has come, everything off apart from the index finger. Then you're going to put your ring finger on the second fret of the G and your middle above it on the second fret of the D, and then again from the A. And the land is dark. Again, everything off apart from the index finger. Travel all the way up to the bottom E there and pop it on the first fret. Take your middle finger and you're swapping it really, popping it on the first fret of the B string, and then take your ring finger and you're going to pop it on the second fret of the G and the moon. Okay, then index finger, down one and a long one, second fret of the A, middle finger, third fret of the bottom E, and then ring finger or little finger on the third fret of the top E. And that is the only. And then you're going to go back to your C, everything off apart from the index finger, back one, down 1, 2, 3. We'll see. Okay, so let's slow down. So C, index finger on the first fret, middle finger on the second fret of the D, ring finger on the third fret of the A. When the night, let's try that. Okay, then everything off apart from the index finger. Pop your ring finger on the second fret of the G, and then your middle above it on the second fret of the D. Take your thumb of the right hand, push down, and the land is dark. Then again, these two off, leave the index finger where it is, go all the way up to the bottom E, and swap it with that middle finger. So that's on the first fret of the B, ring finger on the second fret of the G, and the moon. Good, sounds a bit weird, but it'll work. And then again, take these two off, index finger down one and a long one, second fret of the A, and then make your G chord is the only. Okay, then again, everything off apart from the index finger, back one, down 1, 2, 3, and make your C. Light we'll see. Okay, so those are your chords for Stand By Me. C, A minor, this F chord, and a G, and then back to C. So give that a go with the words, and then when you're ready, we'll go on to the riff part.